What's the biggest economic surprise? I'm asking this question, looking at this chart, because it's a chart I'm increasingly drawn towards. It's the Citigroup Economic Surprise Indices for the US and the Eurozone. Now, what the chart measures is economic data surprises relative to market expectations. So a positive reading, anything above the red line, means that data releases have been stronger than expected. A negative reading, anything below the red line, means the data releases have been worse than expected. Now, what the chart clearly shows is that when it comes to economic surprises, there's only one winner, and the parts of the two are continuing to diverge. The Eurozone, the white line, is at its highest since March the 1st, 2013. That's thanks to stronger data like Monday's inflation release, which showed consumer prices fell less than economists had forecast last month. The US chart, the orange line, which is below the red line, it's negative, is at its weakest since July 2012 because of data like Monday's ISM manufacturing, which showed the weakest expansion in a year. What's interesting about this diverging data is that it comes as the ECB prepares to embark on its QE program, spending 60 billion euros a month on assets, mostly sovereign debt. It begs the question, as QE begins, is the economy starting to turn? For the US, the data is missing estimates as the Fed looks to normalize monetary policy and raise interest rates, begging the question, is the data strong enough for the US central bank to raise interest rates? It's going to be a chart I return to again and again, especially if we continue to see the US and the Eurozone paths diverge. What's the biggest economic surprise? It's right there.